Good morning, good morning, good morning. Can you guys hear me okay? Sound check, please. Sound check. Can you guys hear me okay? Someone let me know if you can hear me. Loud and clear. Thank you. Finally, somebody. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Get NFP in a few minutes. We're gonna let that play out. And see. Ooh. Makes sense. Boom, 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 boom. Very nice. 60% pullback on each. I wonder if we drop. Haven't been able to break this low though. I mean, we held above this area here. There's a lot of liquidity up here to be tapped into. Interesting. I wonder if we do this. Boop, boop. That would be an interesting move to see. That would be interesting to see. Another major low here.
I got this car.
1 minute. 1 minute. Where is everybody? Everybody sleeping? I'm gonna watch on the 1 minute. I want to see something. Wow. 8 o'clock. 20-minute push. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at her go. Ooh. Oh, boy. Yep. Tapped into that, to this. Let's see if we're going to break this or we're going to hold. Look at NFP go. Wow. Nice. Didn't even wick out or nothing. What? Wow. Beautiful. Lovely. Broke that low. We pushed down. Clean drop. Clean drop. Ooh. Pulling back. Are we going to come back up and clear out these highs or what? I think we're going to respect this low. I have a feeling we're going to respect this low. Lovely. Oh, this is gold. The heck? This is gold I'm looking at. Where's US30? My bad. Wow. This whole time I thought I was looking at US30. I'm looking at gold. Gold. Clean move on gold. Clean move on gold. What the heck? Why y'all didn't tell me I was looking at gold? Because I did a one-on-one yesterday and we were looking at gold yesterday on the one-on-one. That's crazy. I'm so used to opening my chart to US30. I didn't even see that. That's so crazy. Funny. All right, let's clear all this off here. So it looks like US30 didn't do much. US30 did not do too much. US30 pushed up a little bit, and that was that. Are we going to break this high? It'd be nice to see us break this high and push up. We're still inside this area here. Still got to tap into these highs here. I'm over here thinking I'm looking at US30, and that shit was gold. I'm like, oh, US30 made some moves last night. This is funny. Pushed up, and yeah, that was that. you could hit the like when you come on in, that'd be awesome. Please and thank you. Por favor. Please, future and Forex trading, which is the best for beginners? Both. They're the same thing. Hi, what is a good amount to start with? First time trader ever. No money. No money is a good amount to start with because you don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing yet, so don't start with anything and just study. You'll save yourself a lot of heartache and grief if you just don't start with anything. See what gold is doing. This was the cleanest move I ever seen on gold in a long time. Clean move. Just came right on down. That was beautiful. That was lovely. Clean. Look at the structure here. It's just sexy. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I'm here for it. I am here for it, honey. So let's see if US30 wants to pull back a little bit here and then find its way on up. Let's see. Let me look at the higher time frame because I don't like what's happening here. It's a lot of jaggedness. We have one push and then this is an ugly area, but we're still bullish. We're still bullish. We're still very bullish. Very, very bullish. Or are we going to break out of this today is the question. Are we going to break up, break down, or are we just going to do a whole lot of this today? I wonder. I wonder. I wonder. Not that much happening today, guys. Not that much. But it was a nice move. It was a nice move. 155 watching, 36 likes. If we can get the likes up, guys, that'd be great. Okay. You have a big move to correct here. I don't know when that's going to happen, though. Massive, massive move to correct here. And the markets are closing early today. A lot of brokers are closing up at 1 o'clock today. So, very small window of opportunity to do anything. Very small window. But I like buys. I like buys. I like buys. I like buys. 500 points. I like this situation here. Don't know if we're going to make it back down here. I like buys. Mm-hmm. Yeah, 15-minute looks sexy. 15-minute looks lovely. Pull back on the 5-minute. Clean pullback. Clean pullback. so a little bit of news at 10 o'clock. That's okay. Come on down a little bit more and we'll see. Come on down a little bit more. I really wish she would have came down a little more here. Why did we stop here? Why did we make these equal lows here? I wonder. Let's see what price does when she gets right here. If we respect this area right there for the rejection and pull up. Ooh, wow, look at gold. Gold said, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Wow, look at gold go. Wow. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Show me what you got. Show me what you got, gold. Show me what you got. Yes, 30. Are you going to come down or what? What are we doing here? Come on down another, what? 30 points? 50 points? So much space and opportunity down here. There's so much space and opportunity down here, but there was down here too. See what happened here, guys? Bounce, bounce, gone. Bounce, bounce, gone. That's what I'm looking for again. That's what I'm looking for. Exact same thing that happened here. 500 point push. 500 point push. Give it to me. Give it to me. Look for patterns, guys. Look for patterns. Look for the same things to happen over and over and over again. And it will make your life a whole lot easier on these charts. You know what I mean? Look for the same things to repeat themselves. And you will see a major uptick. Are you not trading futures anymore? Yes, I do. I do trade futures. A lot of things people don't do that they don't show. Doesn't mean they don't do it anymore. Just don't show it. Know what I mean? Can you please explain your strategy? Sure, I do that in my course. The world and society is on fire and water. Best thing for us to do is get money and drink water and work out. Why are you showing US30 trading? Is there any specific reason you're not showing future trading? Suman Das, if you want, there's plenty of people that trade futures on live on YouTube. You can find one of those channels if you don't like what I'm doing here. It's not difficult at all. I don't know why it bothers you so much. It's the exact same thing. Why does it matter what instrument I'm trading? Trading the same thing. YS is the exact same thing as US30. It really doesn't matter. If you're so adamant about futures trading, then go to someone who trades futures and watch that. It's very simple. You don't have to harp on something that is not important. Crazy. It's way more fun growing a small account than doing a prop firm challenge. LOL. think we're still gonna drop on gold. I think gold has a nice another opportunity to drop some more. Did you find your edge when you were trading demo, trading, or live? What kept you consistent? Live. You will not find an edge trading demo. You will not find any type of edge trading demo. Unfortunately, demo trading doesn't do anything for you. It doesn't. Demo trading is for two reasons: to test out your strategy, to see how consistent you can be on it, and to test out different lot sizes. That's it. That's it. Do not try to be consistent on demo. It's never going to be the same thing when you go over to live. Okay, okay. Still a lot of wiggle room down here to move around, but that's okay. If price pushes down a little more, just take another position down here. Let it ride. The better entry is like here, like right around this area here, but I don't know if price is gonna make its way down there. I don't know if price is going to come all the way back down here from London session, Asian Tokyo, and then into yesterday. So, but we're so bullish. We're so bullish. So, long rejection here. This is a 1 hour, 5 minute. Let's see what 9 o'clock does. 9 o'clock, 9:30. I want us to break out of here, though. I'd like to see us break up out of here. That would be really nice to see. This hour candle is about to close, but it was a news candle. So we need some volume. Not a lot of volume happening right now. But we'll see at opening bell. Opening bell should be interesting. Ah, shit. Forgot to call her back last night. That's okay. I'll do that today. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yes, look at that. Look at her go. This was a lovely drop. Nice pullback here. Very nice on gold. Whoever's trading gold right now, he should be eating nice. He should be secure in the bag. Oh, I'm bored. US30 is not moving at all. I'm bored. Chat is quiet. Oh. Miss Charlene, what advice would you give to your 28-year-old self? I'm soon turning, recently lost my job, looking for answers within on what I'd like to do long term without beating myself up. Gotta find a job. It's hard to do anything without money. You'll figure it out. I can't give life advice on that. What advice I'll give my 28-year-old self? Start looking for stability. Because you're almost in your 30s, you know. Start looking for stability. That's it. Start looking for stability. Gotta get a job, get focused, save up some money, and then figure out what you want to do. You'll figure it out. Don't worry about it. You're very young. You got time. For those of you that are asking, do I trade prop firms? No. What you see here is what I trade. Live funds. Okay. US30 waiting for 9:30 to move. Yeah, seems that way. It's very slow this morning. Very lackadaisical. Do you trade on bank holidays? No. I think liquidity sweep down and then up only since US30 got to catch up to indexes. All-time highs. We'll see. It's very bullish right now, so. We lingered here for a while. I don't know about coming all the way back down and then pushing up. If it did that, it probably would have did that with news, I think. So, I don't know. We'll see. But I'm sticking with this trade here. Even if we push down a little bit into here, or we stay here and push up, I still think we're bullish. We just need some volume to kick things into gear. You break this high here. Break some 5-minute highs, reach some 15-minute highs, and then we're off and running. So we'll see. We shall see. Tired. I'll wrap up the live probably around 10:30. Not going to be on long today because tomorrow's a holiday. I'm not expecting too much to happen. I'm going to watch gold for a little bit. I want to see if gold comes back up to this 61% area here. That would be sweet if it did that. That just drop was so damn nice. Oh my God. This was such a nice drop here. Wow. Clean. %. Right around 60. Such a nice move. Oh my God. Miss trading gold sometimes when it's doing what it's supposed to do. When it's doing what it's supposed to do, I miss trading it. Not when it's not doing what it's supposed to do. So nice. All right, we're breaking highs. Very good. Very good. Okay, nice. Breaking highs. Very nice. Come on, gold. You could do it. Push up. Give us some rejections. And let's see what you want to do. Come on, back down or what? Reject and whoosh. Come on down. Ooh. Oh. Hold on, let me see. Oh, no. Okay. Apex Trader, if you ask one more question about props, I'm going to kick you out of the chat. All right? Okay. I don't know if you already mentioned this, but did you get a chance to watch Squid Games yet? I did. I did watch it. I was quite disappointed. Not even gonna hold y'all. I was not happy with the final season at all. I don't know who wrote that. I don't know whose idea it was to put a bunch of random people in the final episode, in the final game. I didn't like it at all. I cried like the first like 5 episodes, I think. First 4 episodes, I think. Yeah. Because they were like killing off the main people one by one. And just they threw the baby in the game and stuff, and I'm just like, what the hell? Just nonsense. Total nonsense, man. Complete and utter bullshit is what it was to me. So I'm good, man. Very disappointed. Horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Oh, we're not getting to the 61. We came to the 50 and that was it. Don't think we're gonna make it to the 61. Right above here, right when we broke and retested. See if we can come on down. Easy. Easy work. Light work. Light work. Oh, the deposit bonus ends tomorrow, guys. The deposit bonus ends tomorrow, 4th of July. After that, it is gone. Poof. Sayonara. Arrivederci. Gone, gone, gone. Don't know if it will ever return. Don't know if she will return. US30, I need you to push for me. I need you to push up. I need you to find your way on up for me here. That would be awesome. If you could do that for me, that would be great. That would be nice. Know what I mean? I thought it was good. It definitely worked my nerves though. Yeah, I guess. Depends. Depends, but I didn't like it though. I didn't like it. Compared to the first season and how the next season started out, I mean, I was expecting something major. They hyped it up. They put out all these trailers on it and everything, and you know, I think they overhyped it. That's I think they overhyped it. But it's over. It's over. They're coming out with an American version. I don't know how good that's gonna be, but that's what it is. Oh. The ending was messed up. How can the game owner do something wrong? Survive someone coming to save people dies. How much is the minimum deposit to open an account? I think it's $10. I think it's 10. But to get the bonus, it's 100. So 15 minutes from opening bell. And I think we're gonna do a little something like this. Ooh. That's what I think. Oh. Hey Charlene, did you aim for 45,950 or your take profit, or is it open RR? Open. Good morning, Charlene. I'm a scalper too. How many points do you try to get per scalp? Depends on the setup. Finally catch one of my favorite traders live. Welcome, welcome. I like the one-on-one live you did yesterday. Your breakdown was really in detail. Yeah, those one-on-ones are very in-depth. I go through a lot more. I just showed you guys a sample of it, but it's a lot more information. But yeah, a lot more information. Is anybody in gold? I'm curious. Anybody in gold? Or did anybody take those gold sales for NFP? Because I know some of you like to live life on the edge. Trading news and shit. Let me see if any of you actually took those cells. Yep, I knew it. I took the cells. I knew it. Y'all be playing with fire. I knew it. As much as I'm in your DMs on IG, you gotta greet me like I'm the homies. What up, gang? All of you are my homies. All of you. All of you. We're all family around here. My gold bias for buy since London session got because of NFP. Oh. I used to trade London, so I know what that was like. So. London is New York's little cousin. London is New York's baby cousin. Don't forget, half day today. Yeah. We know. Hey Charlene, why is it that US30 always does buys at market open? This is always has me thinking, and I'm not that shy. It doesn't always buy. You just be looking at it on the days that it buys, but it doesn't always buy. It goes down sometimes. It goes down sometimes. Does not always buy. Are we gonna make it to the 61? Is gold trying to do that? Or what? Are we gonna correct this entire move is the question. Is this a liquidity sweep here? Just grabbing all the money that's sitting down here before it takes off? I wonder. I wonder. 30 seconds to 9:30. Opening bell. Need US30 to fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. My neck is killing me. Oh, oh, frick. Oh. Why are we struggling so much? Why are we struggling? All right, very nice. Jeez Louise, took it long enough. $4K day. I'll take it. I wonder why we are struggling so much around this area. We have price that came very close to the previous rejection area and it rejected again, going back down. I don't understand. Maybe it's before the day before holiday. I don't know. We're not going to make it up to these highs. We already did it with news. Market open. We still could do it, but it's risky. It is risky for sure. We are struggling to move here. Let's see if we can break past this high and keep pushing up. good. Keep on keep on swimming. Keep on swimming. Okay, we hit these highs. Let's see. Sweet candle. Hey, would I still be able to get access to the bonus if I already have a Henko account? Would I still be able to use the code if I made $100 deposit? If the account is under my link, the only way you get it is if your account is under my link. If you open your account using my affiliate link, then you will be able to get the bonus. If you want to verify, you ask the customer service chat if you show under CharleneFX. CharleneFX at Gmail. If you show under that account, then you can get it. If not, you have to ask them to place you under my affiliate link, and then you get the bonus. Beautiful move predicted. Very nice. Thanks a lot, Charlene. You're welcome. You're welcome. Damn, I'm cold. I'm all right. I do all right for myself, you know. I do all right. Done trading for the day. I will not be trading tomorrow, so we're going to get up out of here and be a spectator for the rest of the day. See what happens. Caught a nice buy here on this move. We waited a little bit for price to break these highs. Finally broke the 5-minute highs, broke some 15-minute highs, and finally took off, and we rejected again at the same area that rejected on news. So it's going to be interesting to see if price can break this high and continue bullish, or if we're going to remain inside this range and just consolidate for the week. Just out of curiosity though, let me see what the week is looking like, what the weekly looks like, since the week is just about over, you know. Yeah, I don't think we're going to break these highs for the week. We're going to tap into this area again, and that's going to be that for the week. And we'll see. Maybe we come back down next week. Who knows? Maybe next week will be sells, or if we break this high, we can look for continuations and hit some all-time highs. Know what I mean? But yeah, guys, that's the trade for the day. That's it. In and out. In and out. Left a little bit of money on the table there. Probably another 20 or 30 points, but oh well, it's okay. We really struggled to get up here. We really, really struggled. So holiday today, today's half day. The brokers are gonna, everything shuts down in the next, what, 4 hours here? Yeah, next 4 hours. Everything shuts down, and then tomorrow holiday, and then we're back at it on Monday. So that's it, guys. That's all I got. I'm done trading for the day. That's it. In and out. That's how you become a consistently profitable trader. You take what the market gives you, and you try to come back tomorrow and do it all again. You use proper risk management, and every day will not be a home run. You know, some days you're going to lose. Some days you're going to make $100. Some days you're going to make $10,000, and some days you're not going to find a setup at all. That's just the nature of the beast. That's the nature of trading. It is what it is. And that's that. If you can be okay with taking your money and running and coming back the next day and trying to repeat the process, then you're going to be a really good trader. But if you're worried about leaving money on the table, if you're worried about missing moves, if you're worried about not getting the perfect entry, if you're worried about trying to make the most money, if you're worried about holding moves all the way up until some crazy TP area, it's going to be difficult for you to be consistent. You're putting too much stress and pressure on yourself. It's not worth it. All right. So yeah, guys, good move, good move, good move. Done for the day. That's what I like to hear. Very good. That's what I like to hear. Charlene, how often do you trade live during the week? Monday through Thursday. Just come check my YouTube every Monday through Thursday, and if I'm live, great. If I'm not, I'm not. Some days I feel like it, some days I don't. But for the most part, I'm here with you guys. So I didn't trade yesterday because I woke up with a massive headache, and I could not jump on the live yesterday. But I said, let me get on live today, even though it's NFP, and give something before the end of the week. And it's a good thing we were able to finish out the week with a nice little win, and that's that. You know? So there we go. love to see if we can push up here finally. If we can push up to that high, that would be amazing. We got great entries too. We got great entries. I didn't see price coming back down here, and it definitely didn't. It definitely did not come back. It just shot up from there. Look at that beautiful 1 hour candle. Nicely. Nice move. Very nice. Okay, guys. I'm going to wrap it up here since I'm done. You guys have a wonderful, safe, and enjoyable 4th of July holiday weekend. Enjoy your families. Be safe. Don't blow your fingers off with the fireworks. And don't gain 100 pounds eating burgers and chips and hamburgers and stuff in your face and all that. Other than that, that's all I got for today. Y'all be good. I will see you guys next week. Have a safe and enjoyable holiday. As always, it's your favorite female trader, Charlene FX. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace and love. I'm out.